Students, welcome on the platform of Techno Herald Online. In this lecture, we are going to start the second module of the third modules that we are going to study in this course. So the second module is the probability distributions. Here we are going to study the discrete probability distribution, the continuous probability distribution. We will study some basics of statistics and what is expectation. So let us start this lecture. The next question is, a random variable has the following distribution. The distribution is given in this table. Then in the first bit they are asking what is the value of k. So we will do one by one. Let us do the first bit first. What is the value of k? For finding the value of k, we know the formula already. For I is equal to 1 to x, sum of p of xi is equal to what? 1. So what are the values of xi here? So these are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and p of 7 will be equal to what? 1. Now let us put the values. The values are what? Given in this table: 0, k, 2k, 2k, 3k, k square, 2k square, 7k square plus k. 0, k, 2k, 2k, 3k, k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k will be equal to what? 1. Now we can find the value of k. 3k square plus 7k square, 10k square plus 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 9 plus 9k minus 1 will be equal to 0. So 10k square plus 10k minus 1 is equal to 0. So k is equal to k plus 10 into k minus 1. Sorry, this is, we can take common 10k. 10k minus 1 into k plus 1 is equal to 0. So k takes the values what? 1 by 10 and minus 1. But we already said that what? Since this will be discarded, because we already said that p of xi will always be greater than equal to 0. But here what? k का वैल्यू -1 आने से क्या होगा हमारा? सारे वैल्यूज नेगेटिव हो जाएंगे. बट ये वैल्यूज नेगेटिव होते नहीं है. सो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ k? सो k विल बी इक्वल टू 1 by 10. Fine, k will be equal to 1 by 10. Now next bit. The next bit they are asking, evaluate the probability p is for p x is less than 6, x is greater than equal to 6 and x is in between 0 to 5. Fine. So let us do the second bit. What they are asking? P of x less than 6. P of x less than 6. So what are the values? What are less than 6? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. P of x less than 6 is equal to P of x. P of x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 is also included. This will be equal to what? 0. This will be equal to P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2 plus P of 3 plus P of 4 and plus P of 5. We will put the values 0. Next is what? K. Then 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus k square. Fine. We put all the values. This is equal to this. K, 2k, 2k, 3k and k square. This came to be 5, 3, 8 k square plus 8k. 8k. Fine. Now we will put the values of k. K square will be what? 1 by 100. So what is the value of k? 1 by 10. Plus 8k will be 8 by 10. Fine. Let us add this. We can take 100 as a common. So this will be 1 plus what? 80. This will come to be 0.81. Fine. Now what they are asking? X is greater than equal to 6. Up to here we have included x is less than 6. We have not included 6. Here greater than equal to 6. The next thing is P of x is greater than equal to 6. So this can be equal to what? Using negation rule, 1 minus P of x is less than 6, because sum of all is what? 1. So we have already calculated the value of P of x less than 6, which was equal to 0.81. So this will come to be what? 0.19. Okay. The next thing they are asking, value of P between value of x between 0 to 5. So let us calculate for 0 to 5, the third bit. Okay, I am erasing this. I will erase this. Then